If you already have calcium buildup at your shower head, you have it in other areas of your plumbing system. So if you're going to prevent the buildup, fantastic. Installing a system that prevents scale from forming, great idea. Question is, how do I remove the scale that's already in my home, already in my plumbing, in my pipes? Well, a couple things you can do. Remove all of your faucet heads, aerators, and everything like that. Give them that bath in the white vinegar, and that will take care of those. But what it's not going to take care of are all the places you can't see. In that case, hiring a professional plumber that can isolate your plumbing and can flush it with a descaler compound is the only true best way to attack the whole problem and get rid of it forever. So if you do a whole home descaling and then install a device to prevent hard water deposits from forming, you're gonna notice a difference right away. How big of a difference you're gonna notice depends on how big of a problem you have. If you have a relatively newer home and the problem is just beginning, you don't have much of a problem, probably not gonna notice a whole lot. If you have an older home that's been 10 or more years, you may notice a significant difference if you have hard water issues in your area, which most places do, because you're gonna get better flow out of your faucets, through the pipes, and scale is literally, as it builds up, narrowing orifices, narrowing pipes, and building up on your water heater. It's causing it to take longer to heat the water. So you should notice a pretty significant improvement immediately after installing these devices and doing a flush. So listen, I hope this video helped you and gave you some guidance on do it yourself or when to call a plumber and what options are out there.